This is feedback for Razan on her WR1 practice essay. What it's looking like so far, Razan, I think you have good formatting, except for in the header here, you got to delete this type here, text. Capital letters on first names. Your title looks good. Your intro paragraph needs some help. Number one, most important thing, you need to have a thesis. You don't have a thesis here. And a thesis needs to say something like, the main two effects of not getting enough sleep are blank and blank. You have to have something, though. Okay? And then I like your thesis. I like how you're starting with this hook. It sounds interesting. But instead of just saying there are real dangers involved with not getting enough sleep, show me the dangers. Tell me, don't just tell me that it's dangerous, but tell me how is it dangerous? Why is it dangerous? Who is it dangerous for? Give some more examples. And that will make your intro a little bit longer, too, because it's really short. Then the body paragraphs. Most importantly, you need a topic sentence. You don't have one here. It looks like you're trying to make the point that it lowers your health, which is a good point, but you need to have a clear topic sentence. The first sentence that says, the first main effect of not getting enough sleep is that it lowers your health, period. Straight, direct, to the point. And then it looks like you start giving some points in here, but you have no examples. Being tired affects your mood and problems with relationships. Those are good points, but give examples. How does being tired, being tired doesn't even affect your health, really, right? Your mood, isn't that your emotional health? Problems with relationships, it sounds like your emotional health. Maybe you want to change this paragraph to emotional health. The second body paragraph, the same thing. You need a topic sentence, and you need to get focused and use some examples. And then this sentence is completely off topic. Your second paragraph is about increasing high blood pressure, which is more of a health issue, which I think this is probably, the second body paragraph looks like it's more towards health than the first body paragraph. And he said kids love to watch TV for hours and they don't pay attention to it for the time where it comes to turn. This is a cause. So if you're talking about effects in your paper, you don't want to put a cause in your body. I would actually put that probably in the intro. Okay, so in the intro you could do the opposite. And then your conclusion is not a conclusion. Most importantly, you need to reverse your thesis, and you need to not make new points in your conclusion. You're making this family obligations, you're missing a demanding job. Again, these are causes. This would probably be good stuff to put in your intro, but not in your conclusion paragraph. Make those changes, retype it up, and upload it into week 4 practice essay.